Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Got my first on video value box of the Topps 2025 Chrome. My guy James Lavender 4180. Go check him out on YouTube, everybody. He had recommended that I do one of these on video, so here you go. This is for you, James Lavender 4180. I haven't pulled anything really cool out of these. I did get a Shohei Sepia refractor in my first pack that I opened, so that was kind of cool. All right, we got Sean Manaea, got Ryan Bliss, got Brent Rooker, Isaac Collins, and a Big Christmas on the Sepia refractor. All right, guys. Thanks, everybody.